Hello friends, welcome back to Deepshikha's Carousel. Today we will use some old and waste products to make a beautiful festive decor. First of all, I am going to make our candle holder. For that I am using Fevicryl molded. You can also use M-Seal. Here I am taking equal quantity of resin and hardener. Apply some talc on your palm and mix them very well till it becomes completely white. Our clay is ready. Now roll the clay on the flat surface and make it flat like this. Place any object on the top of the clay like this for the size of the candle, and now with the help of cutter, cut the clay in this way. Don't forget to apply talc on the top also. Remove the extra part and now smooth the edges using your fingers. Now make 3 holes in 3 sides in this way using any pointed object, and place the clay on the top of that object for a desired shape. Let it dry completely. Here I am having a long plywood piece, but you can also use anything, any pipe or any dry branch for this work. And I am also wrapping it using a golden ribbon and hot glue gun. I made this golden bead chain, and for this project we are going to need 6 of them. Now for the next work we are going to need cut mirrors, golden bell, gota patti, and let's assemble them. This project is two-sided so that it can swing easily. We can hang it anywhere in any direction. That's why here I'm using this type of cut mirrors from the both side of the ribbon. In this way, with the help of glue gun, stick them. In this way we are going to make 3 of them. Now it's time to color our diya holder or candle holder. For that, here I am using my golden pearl color. I will mention the shade number in the description, and I am going to paint it inside. Yes, for the inside I am going to use this golden pearl color, and I will apply 2 layers of it. Now for the outer layer, here I am using different color. I will mention the shade number. It's like dark onion color. These 2 colors are looking awesome together. Now it's time to assemble them with the beads. Now for the next step, we are going to use this gota patti. I am going to wrap it around the bangles in this way. I will stick this gota patti bangle on this hanging, and I will also stick some gota patti flowers and paper roses on it. We will do this same work on the back side of the bangle also. Now it's time to assemble them all together. First of all, find the center part and stick these hangings in this way using your glue gun. Follow all the steps. Our hanging is almost done. Now it's time to cover up that white thread. So for that I'm using this Gotapati flower. And it's complete. Try this project and share your comments with me. And let me know how do you feel about this. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And you can also check my Facebook and Insta page Deepshikha's Karushilp for more art and craft ideas. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.